So in this problem, we were discussing about mean deviation when data is intervaled. Okay. So how to calculate mean deviation? So first we'll calculate the mid value. 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9. So we'll be getting the mid value. So 1.5, 4.5, 7.5, 10.5, 13.5, 16.5 and 19.5. Okay. Then we'll calculate the deviation. So why deviation? Because we need to calculate the mean. Okay. So in this case, we are calculating deviation. So how come we calculate deviation? So deviation is mid value minus we will assume this as our mean. So 10.5 is the assumed mean. So this is close to the central value. That is why we are assuming 10.5 as our assumed mean. Okay. So m minus 10.5. Then we can also divide it by origin so that we can have a manageable data. So this class width, we are dividing this with the class width. So m minus 10.5 by 3. So 3 is the class width. Look at this class width here, 1.5 plus 3 is 4.5. Okay. So d dash equals to, for first case, so here mid value is 1.5. So 1.5 minus 10.5. 1.5 minus 10.5 by 3. So this is 9.5. This is 9.5 minus 9.5. Sorry, this is 9. This is 9 minus 9. Minus 9 by 3 will give us minus 3. Okay. So I've got minus 3. For next case, we'll put 4.5 here. So 4.5, so d dash would be, d dash equals to 4.5 minus of 4.5 minus of 10.5 divided by 3. This is like 6 minus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 3 will give us minus 2. So this is minus 2. So now we have got the pattern. Minus 3, then minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, and go on adding 1, 1, 2, 3. So we'll get the deviation, d dash. Now we need f d dash. So f d dash, we just multiply the value of d dash with this frequency. So this is f. F into d is minus 16, 7 into minus 14, 7 into minus 2 is minus 14, 10 into minus 1 is minus 10, and so on and so forth. So if you add this, you will get summation f d dash here. So summation f d dash equals to 3. Okay. Now we need the deviation from mean. So that is d of x bar. That is deviation from mean. That is absolute value of m minus x bar. So for first case, our m is 1.5. So 1.5 minus x bar. Then calculate x bar here. Since we need x bar, so we need to calculate x bar. So how do we calculate x bar? X bar is a plus summation f d dash divided by n into h. So a is our assumed mean. That is 10.5 plus f d dash. F d dash is, this is f d dash, we have got f d dash here, 3 divided by summation f or n is 50 into h or width, since we have taken d dash here. So 3 by 50 into 3, and it is 10.68. So our mean is x bar is 10.68. 10.68. So 1.5 minus 10.68. That is 10 point. So it would give us 4.18. 4.18. Next case is 6.18, then it's 3.18 and 0.18 and so on and so forth. Then we need f into d dash, d of x bar. So we are just multiplying this value with f. Okay, so 9.18 into 2 is 18.36. 7 into 6.18 is 43.26. So these two values we are multiplying for getting the values of this column. Okay, so 18.36, this is 43.26, this is 31.26. How come we have got 2.16? Let us look at it once again. So if d dash is 0.18, and then we're multiplying this with this 12, okay, and we'll get 2.16. So 12 into 0.18, 2.16. This is how we have got these values, and if we add, we'll be getting summation f d x bar. We are adding all these things, and we need to calculate this mean deviation about mean or from mean. The formula is, this is summation f dx bar divided by n, that is 1.191.16, because we are putting the value here, and n is 50. We all know value of n is 50. This is n, capital N, or this is summation f. We put the values and we'll get 3.8232. That is the answer. And when it comes to coefficient of mean deviation, so coefficient of mean deviation is mean deviation divided by mean x bar. So if we can divide the value of mean deviation by x bar, well, 3.8232 divided by 10.68, we will get 0.358. Okay. That is the answer.